Hi everyone, this is Prashad, your English fluency guide. Welcome to my channel Prashadu Putnur. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video from my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about two tenses, present continuous and present perfect continuous tense, and the difference between these two sentences. And we know we use present continuous tense to describe the action which is going on at the time of speaking. Present, what is going on? I am talking to you, right? This is the action which is going on right now. Whereas present perfect continuous tense, we use this tense to describe an action which started in the past and still going on at the time of speaking. For example, I am learning English. This is the example for present continuous tense. And I have been learning English. This is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, see the difference between I am learning English and I have been learning English. I am learning English. The action is going on now. Present, what I am doing. Present, I am doing something. I am learning something. Okay, I have been learning means the action started in the past and still going on at the time of speaking. I have been learning English since 2000. Okay, I have been learning English since 2000. Or else you can say I have been learning English for the past 10 years. No, not 10 years. 2000 to 2020. For the past 20 years. I have been learning English. See, still the action not complete. Still the process is going on. This, what is the process? The learning process is still going on. Okay, so that is the reason we need to say I have been learning English for the past 3 months, for the past 3 years, for the past 10 years, for the past 20 years. I have been learning English for the past 20 years because I started learning English in the year 2000. That time I was in 10th class. Okay, so it's taking a lot of time for me because I am the slow learner. Okay, so actually if you pay attention, if you create English atmosphere, it won't take that much time, just 3 months time or maximum 6 months time you will be able to speak. Okay, conversational language, you will be able to speak conversational language within 3 months if you pay attention. But for me it took a lot of time because that kind of atmosphere, that kind of English environment I could not create because that time there was no internet. Okay, there was no mobile with me, so that is the reason I could not watch any English content. I could not watch any English content. I could not listen to podcasts. That's the reason it took a lot of time, and that is too. I learnt on my own. I learnt by myself, so I did not take anyone's help. That's the reason it took a lot of time. But for you, it won't take a lot of time if you understand tenses, present tense, past tense and future tense, and the subtenses. If you understand, within 3 to 4 months you will be able to speak well, no doubt about it. Okay, now I'm going to give you some more examples, present perfect continuous tense examples. If it is raining now, the action is going on, it is raining now. If the rain started at some point of time in the past and still it is going on, then we need to use the present perfect continuous tense. We can say it has been raining since 8 o'clock. It has been raining since 6 o'clock. Now the time is 8 o'clock, for example. Then we can say it has been raining for 2 hours. Okay, because it started at 6 o'clock and now the time is 8 o'clock. So the difference to 2 hours. So it has been raining for 2 hours, we can say. If you use point of time, we can use since. If you use a period of time, we can say for. Okay, so now you understood the uses of since and for. Since is to since is used with the point of time and for is used with period of time. Okay, I have been living here in this town since 2014. I have been living here for the last 6 years. Do you understand the difference? When to use since and when to use for? We use since and for with present perfect continuous tense. If you say the point of time, we have to use since, and if you use for period of time, we have to use for. That's the difference. And present continuous tense, present I am talking to you, present I am learning English. Okay, present, the action is going on right now. Or you can say I am watching movie, I'm talking to my friend, I'm going to temple, I'm going to school, I'm going to office, she is going to office, he is going to office. Okay, they are going to playground. Present, whatever is going on, the action is going on at the time of speaking, at this moment, that is present continuous tense. Whereas present perfect continuous tense is the action started in the past and still going on. Okay, I have been learning English since 2000. If the subject is he, she, it, we have to use has been. He has been. He has been watching TV for the last 2 hours. He has been watching TV since 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock he started watching TV and still going on. So we have to use present perfect continuous tense. So my dear friends, learn the tenses very well. Previously I made some videos on tenses, all the tenses, subtenses and everything. Just watch that video. And if you are good at tenses, you will be able to learn English on your own. And listen more. You have to listen to more content. You need to surround yourself with the people who speak English language, and you need to practice a lot. Your spoken English and your fluency depends on your practice. The more hours, the more time you practice, the less time it will take to become fluent. It won't take time, more time. Okay, it took a lot of time for me because I failed to create English environment. Okay, so but for you, if you create English environment wherever you go, with your family members, with your friends, with your online friends, if you speak English, it won't take much time. Within 3 to 4 months you will be able to speak English fluently. Okay, thank you all. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I need your support and encouragement to make more videos. Thank you all of you. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.